48 light-years away may sit one of our best chances of finding life. It is a distant world with a strange name, LHS 1140b, and it might be a frozen ocean staring straight at its sun. Meet its home, a small red dwarf star called LHS 1140. It lies about 48 light-years away in the constellation of the Sea Monster. Its star is a red dwarf, only about 1/5 the size of our Sun. Red dwarfs are the most common stars in the entire galaxy. They burn dim, cool and red, and they live for an incredibly long time. In 2017, astronomers caught a tiny world crossing in front of it. The star's light dipped ever so slightly as the planet passed by. That tiny dip revealed a planet passing between us and the star. And this planet turned out to be a super-Earth. It is about 1.7 times wider than our Earth. And it carries around 5.5 times Earth's mass. Standing on its surface, gravity would pull noticeably harder. You would feel distinctly heavier with every single step. But its most exciting feature is exactly where it orbits. It sits right inside its star's habitable zone. That is the zone where a world could hold liquid water. And it is one of the closest such worlds to our own. For years, though, one big question remained. Was it a solid rocky world or a small gassy planet? A mini Neptune wrapped in thick hydrogen gas would be lifeless. To find out, we needed our sharpest eyes in space. The James Webb Space Telescope carefully studied its light. It split the starlight passing around the edge of the planet and searched for the chemical fingerprints of an atmosphere. First, it ruled out a thick hydrogen shroud. Astanu and Herring finally lied. So this is not a dead mini-Neptune after all. Then came the real surprise. The planet is less dense than solid rock alone should be. Up to 1/5 of its entire mass may be made of water. That is a truly staggering amount of water. Far more than all of Earth's oceans combined. LHS 1140b is a genuine water world. But there is a catch. Its red star is dim and cool. So the whole planet is likely frozen, almost solid. A giant snowball, drifting in the dark. And it is probably tidally locked to its star. One side faces the star forever, the other in endless night. The day side warmed, the night side locked in deep freeze. But here is where it gets truly beautiful. If the planet holds a nitrogen-rich atmosphere, the air is libened that air could carry heat toward the star-facing point. And there, the ice could melt into open liquid water. A single, vast ocean right beneath the star. Astronomers call this an eyeball planet. A bright, watery eye staring straight at its sun. Ringed all around by a frozen white shell of ice. That ocean could stretch thousands of kilometers across, roughly half the size of our own Atlantic Ocean. And its surface could sit around 20 degrees Celsius. Warm enough, in theory, for a comfortable swim. So could anything actually live there? Life as we know it needs liquid water, and here it may exist. It needs energy, and the red star provides steady warmth. and it needs a calm, stable home to develop. Remarkably, LHS 1140 is an unusually quiet red dwarf. Many red dwarfs blast their planets with violent flares, but this one is calm, sparing its worlds that constant assault. That calm makes LHS 1140b truly special. So this frozen eye could be a cradle for life. And the James Webb Telescope is not finished with it yet. It will keep sampling the planet's thin air, searching for oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Gases that could hint at living things below. But we must stay honest about what we actually know. We have not yet confirmed that it even has an atmosphere. It could still be a bare, dead ball of ice. Or a living ocean world hidden beneath the clouds. From 48 light-years away, we cannot simply go and look. We can only read the faint light it sends across space. Yet, among thousands of known worlds, this one stands out. One of the very best places to search for life. A frozen eye watching a quiet red sun, perhaps hiding a warm ocean and who knows what within. If you enjoyed this, subscribe and let's keep exploring the universe.